Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Psycho Karen Takes Resisting Arrest to a Whole New Level.
I'm fucking done, Lori! You're done! Oh God, we're fucking! Yeah! Fucking yeah!
We got another call on you.
About what? Walking in the road? I know.
I mean, yeah, you can't be in the road.
I know.
Why don't you stay on the sidewalk?
Because they're bad.
The sidewalks are bad?
Yeah.
Well, I need you to stay on the sidewalk. I need you to stop yelling at people. What did we say earlier about...
What did I yell at?
I watched you yell at the FedEx person.
I know.
Okay?
Okay.
You're not free to go yet. I'm still talking to you. Nicole, just hang out.
All right.
All right, stay right here. Just hang out. I got another officer coming to talk to you as well.
Am I going to jail?
I don't know.
Oh, okay then. Let's
Just
do
hang
it
out.
then. I got a place to stay.
Just...
I'll have a place to stay.
Nicole, just hang out.
Good.
Yep, I love
I'm
that. Just sit down. Thank
Okay.
you. Where do you normally stay, Nicole?
Right
Salvation
here.
Army?
Right here.
Okay.
With you guys. Yeah. Castle County. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Why are you thanking me?
Is that how it is? Yes. Yes. Thank you. Yes, Brad. Love
Okay.
Brad. Brad.
All right, Nicole. Calm down.
Fucking hit me.
What's going on, Nicole? Just on my body camera's on. What are we doing? Huh?
What?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Running down the sidewalk, screaming and yelling.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Because I like Pekin. I like Pekin.
You
I'm
do?
glad I'm fucking here.
Good.
I'm staying.
You staying?
Okay? Staying.
Look at-
Staying in Pekin. 21 years.
I
I'm
got
a
somewhere for
resident.
you to stay. Put your hands behind your back for me.
What?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
You're going to
Please
jail.
don't arrest me.
Stop.
No, please don't.
Stop.
Stop.
Nope. Stop.
No what?
Disorderly conduct. Same thing. You just got to take it 5 minutes ago.
Oh, come on.
Stop. Just stop for a minute.
You literally were just saying you were excited.
Qualified. You can walk home.
About the sidewalk.
Okay.
Is there anything on you that I need to know about?
What? Let's go.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
This
Let's
is
go.
fucking bullshit.
All right, walk to the car. Nothing on you that I need to know
Can
about.
you get my wallet?
I'll grab it in a minute. Hang on.
Will I get out of jail? I'm not staying.
That's fine.
Nope,
Come
just
on.
hang out.
I'm done. I'm fucking done, Lori.
Have a
You're
seat.
done. Stupid bitch. I
Everything
hope
here
I
is
get
audio and video recorded.
Okay. Thank you. Act like you're good. Thank you. What time is it? Is it supper?
This is we see people act a fool all the time, but sometimes it's just really sad, because we could sit here, me and you could sit here and look and tell that jail is not going to help her. Going in there for a few hours or whatever, a week or two or whatever, she needs serious help. She has mental health issues. You know what I mean? So just, locking her up and throwing her, and I don't blame the officers. The officers got to do what they got to do. That's above their pay grade or whatever. But somebody got to figure out something for this woman, for her to get better, because this is just going to be a revolving door. Like the officer said, well, you're getting arrested for disorderly conduct, what you just got a ticket for 5 minutes ago, So they probably were dealing with her all day. They know her name. She's probably a regular, just her going in and out of the jail and racking up court fees and fines and stuff like that. That's not going to change her behavior. Okay. She needs some serious help. And it's sad to watch, honestly.
Yeah, you missed lunch, but you'll get supper.
Woo! We get eggs. Eggs. Yeah.
Perfect.
Eggs. Yeah.
That's for breakfast.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, we're not doing that. Keep it.
Eggs for breakfast. Yeah. I'll be out Friday. Yes. The 21st. Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Yep. That's it. It's all
She
good.
undid it.
Yeah. Put it back on. I get my period. Right.
Can you sit
Get your
back? Can you
period.
sit back?
Come on. Get your period. Yes. Yes. Get it. Oh, yeah.
Stop, Nicole.
Wait, let go. You don't have to fucking hold me down.
Well, then chill out.
Don't touch me then. You can't touch me. Thank you. Fuck. Hey. Say it now. I'm going to go for a long time. Thanks. Thanks a fucking lot. Piece of fucking trash. That's bad. Hey. 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 Hey.
What?
I can't breathe. You're gonna have to open the window, dude. I'm gonna have an asthma attack. You can't. I tried to fucking tell you. Fuck you. You both can't fucking touch me like fucking you're retarded. Fucking bullshit. You're done, Louie. You're done. You're done, Louie. Watch it. Watch it. Will you come put this seatbelt on?
You took it off, and then when I tried to put it back on, you tried to bite me.
I didn't try to bite you.
Yes, you did.
Because you both were touching me.
I was trying to push you back so I could get the seat.
Okay, you don't have to remind me. We don't need Brian Rendelman. We're done. You guys both can't fucking touch me. Put this seatbelt on. We're almost done. We got till 2 weeks. Perfect. Yes, I did. Go like that. The chillin'. Move your fucking hand. There. Got my period. We're done. Go swimming. I'm gonna have a fucking asthma attack, dude. Oh my fucking god. I can't breathe. There we go. Look at that. Yeah. Had one. Hi. Yeah. There we go. Yes. Thank you. Perfect. You think that was me? Am I good? I got. There we go. Is he coming to get me? You. Yeah. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Perfect.
Don't do drugs, people. Stay far away, man. Stay far away. This is it, man. Done hit rock bottom. Probably started with a gateway, a gateway drug, you know what I'm saying? Something that's light, just to get you in the game. And then as time goes on and on, you get into harder and harder things, man, because something ain't right, man.
Yeah, baby, yeah. Oh, yeah. Having fun now. Yeah, I know this is... Oh, God, we're f***ing... Yeah! Dad, yeah! Get it, I don't give a f***. Yeah, I got a place to stay. You. 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 And you. Oh, what, you guys are gone now? You don't give a f***? Oh, yeah, we're having fun, Louie. Yeah. Woo, we're getting married. Got the cake. Yeah. Woo. Fun. Yeah. My whole life. My whole life. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. We're done. Yep, tearing up my hands. You guys have a good one. Yep, Friday morning. Yeah. 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 Will you come put this on, please? Ow! Fuck. There, that's it. We're done. That's it, baby. Yeah, clean baby. Yeah. There you go. Ha. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I want to get ripped by a cop. Yeah. Yeah. We got the end of the bed. We're good. Okay. I'm done. Yeah. Come on, Tazwell. Get me good. Oh, yeah, we're having a good one, Louie. Oh, God, we're having a good baby. Yeah, speaking. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, come get me. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, my whole life. Yeah. Wait, we gotta see what we look like. You look good? There we go. Look. Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, there way. Oh, retard. Baby. Oh. Out of here. Stupid bitch. You happy? Yeah. Yeah, that's good, baby. Hurry up so I can get out. Dumbass f***ing cops. That's all right. We like the metal plate. Oh, we're good. We're having a baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yep, and my life is ruined. I've been going to Tazewell County since I was 16. That's for all the didn't you didn't. You say you have to f*** in.
See what I say? Probably a regular. You know what I'm saying? She just said it. She's been going there since she was 16. This lady looks probably in her 40s, maybe. You know, it's been a long time.
Remember? Oh, I remember you. There you go. One at the door. We got Ho-Ho and Twinkie standing out there behind my head. Oh, let me tell you the ways. About 1 minute before I was born was about the first time it all started. And the lights went out. Boom, boom. Yeah, it's all in my head. You go tell yourself that. And if you don't, you can leave me alone when I get out. There we go. Do it. There you go. That's right. Smoke a cigarette. Tell them what you want. It's all right. When I die in here and forget again, it'll be okay. It'll be all right. Yep, I'm gonna have a seizure and I'll crush my brain. I'm nothing.
Stepper, do you have any medical problems we need to be aware of?
It depends how long I'm here. No.
Any heart condition, epilepsy?
Nope.
Do you have any wounds?
I die will be. I'm healthy. I'm fine. I'm fine. Perfectly fine.
Are you suicidal?
Okay, CO. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see the CO now.
All day. You sign your name somewhere. Just put 3 X's and mine's fine. It's all good.
Are you suicidal?
I don't know. I'm retarded though. I'm retarded. I don't know. You guess. Fill it out for you. Fill it out yourself.
You said it all day.
I don't know. I'm a detainee, so I don't know.
Okay.
No, that's it. Okay. Check. Next, please.
Okay, are you going to try to escape or fight me when I uncuff you?
No, I did not. You're lucky.
You know what? Or this could be an officer as well. No, this could be a police officer. I don't know which one, but she doing the paperwork though. She's doing the paperwork.
Are you going to try to escape or fight me when
Doing the intake.
You need me to sign my name?
No, I'm just asking
Okay then.
questions. I just need you to answer the question.
All right then. I think that was it.
Okay. Are you going to try to escape or fight me when I uncuff you? Yes or no? Alright. She did say she was suicidal. She said all day. I take that as a yes. So have you been Narcaned?
All day. I ate some Cool Whip earlier. Yep, all good.
Have you been Narcaned?
I just told you. Same thing, right?
Have you been in the hospital in the last 3 to 4 hours?
Nope.
Are you under the influence of any alcohol or drugs?
Nope.
Have you been OC sprayed, tased, anything like that? No? Can I go ahead and step out of the vehicle? Around the vehicle, there's a purple wall.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. If you enjoyed this...
Yeah. Yeah, like I said, she needs some serious help. Just going in and out of jail isn't really going to do nothing for anybody. It's not going to do anything for her, and it's not going to do anything for the officers because they're going to keep dealing with her. Whatever. She'll be in there for a few hours and get out. You know, might stay a day, get out, and right back to doing whatever she was doing. You know, she needs some serious help, man. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.